Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to install Windows 11 leaked version into a VirtualBox. So as you know, the Windows 11 officially announced on June 24, 2021. Windows 11 operating system. So I got the ISO file. As here you can see, I already downloaded and ran the Windows 11 in my VirtualBox. Now I am going to delete it, remove all the files, and I am going to again process which I have done off the screen. First you need to click on new, type Windows 11. You can change the file location wherever you want in your PC. I am going to change into my Windows 11 folder. I am going to select Windows 10 64-bit and hit on next. So you can give your RAM as your wish. I am going to give till the red line and hit next. I am going to create a virtual hard disk and VirtualBox disk image and hit enter. I am going to allocate the storage dynamically and hit enter. I am going to give the storage capacity of 100 GB and create. Now you can see that we got our Windows 11 virtual machine, but the process is not yet done. Go to settings and go on system. Here you can see that we have processors, acceleration and motherboard. Go to processors and give the processors to till where you can see the red light and green light meets, and go to display and give the video memory to the maximum, and go to storage. Here in the empty slot you should select Windows 11 ISO file and hit OK. Now start the Windows 11 machine. After hitting start, you can see here we got a start option of Windows 11 ISO file. Hit start and wait until it boots up. As here you can see that we got a Windows icon. After the loading screen goes off, you can see that we have Windows installation window. So hit next and hit on install now. After hitting on install now, it starts setting up. After hitting install now, you will see a dialog box like this. You have no need to have a product key for this leaked version of installation. So click on I don't have product key and scroll down to the Windows 11 Pro and hit next. And after hitting next, here you can see that we got our latest update of June, and I accept the Microsoft license terms and hit enter. Here you have two options, upgrade and custom install. Hit on custom install and hit on next. Give it some time so that it can download all the files and installation features and updates to Windows 11. So let's meet after the installation. So after all the installations completed and installations of packages and updates, it automatically reboots your virtual machine. So just don't mess with it and give it some time. After rebooting up and installing some more packages, it starts to get ready to install your Windows 11 operating system. So after it says getting ready and after giving it some time, it also installs some other essentials for Windows 11 operating system and again reboots your virtual machine. After rebooting our virtual machine, again it starts loading and it takes some more time to install.
A few moments later.
So after all the installations and all the setups completed, you have to select your country or religion and keyboard type. I want to skip the secondary keyword, and it, and here you have to set up it for your personal computer or set up for school work or school purpose. I'm going to set up it for my personal use, and you have to log in with your Microsoft account. I'm going to log in into my Microsoft account using my credentials. After logging in, you have to create a pin for your security purposes whenever you log in into your Windows 11 machine. So after that, you have two options to set up as a new device or restore from your old device, that is Windows 10. I am going to set it up for as a new device, and I am going to tick all the boxes and hit on accept. So here you have two options of automatically storing on one drive, that is a cloud, or store only on this device. I am going with store only on this device because it is a leaked version, not a official version. So I don't want my data to go on the cloud, that may be dangerous. So after all the installations and setups completed, you can see here we have our latest Windows 11 interface. So here you can see that we have only half screen of it. So how to make it a full screen? Here on the top left you can see that we have devices section. In the down we have insert guest edition CD image. So click on it. After clicking on it, open scroll to the down and open your file manager. In the file manager you can see here we have CD drive, VirtualBox gestures, and here in the down we have VirtualBox editions. Click on it and it asks for the firewall permissions, and click on yes. After clicking on it, just hit on next and install. It installs the additional files that are required for VirtualBox, and hit on install. After the installation completes, it asks for you to reboot. After the installation completes, it asks for you to reboot your virtual machine. So reboot it. So after the reboot, you can see here we have our lock screen in it. Type in your pin that you have set up in your setup section. So after typing in your pin and after typing in your pin, you need to click on the top left view, and view full screen mode is present on the top left. You can see that we have our full screen Windows 11 version. So in this Windows 11 version, everything, even the icons of this PC and the file manager, are changed. So for you, so here you can see that we in the left side we have In the left side we have our Windows 10 file manager, yeah, and in the right side we have our Windows 11 file manager. So even the start menu, the search bar and the widgets are changed in Windows 11. Personally, I liked everything about Windows 11 leaked version. And even Windows 11 version, everything, even the icons of every app is changed. Our Microsoft Store and Microsoft Edge. So here we can see that we even have all the apps that are present in normal Windows 10, but everything is changed in Windows 11. Personally, I liked it very much. So I don't want you to get in trouble by downloading a leaked version. It may contain a malware or any other malicious viruses. So I don't want you to get in trouble. So I am not providing the link of Windows 11 download in the description. If anyone wants to download or anyone wants the ISO link, please contact me or DM me in the Instagram. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet in another video.